and welcome to Nine's exclusive telecast of the New Year's Eve fireworks. Alicia Gorey, the party is happening here right now.
I think you just saw the dance floor, and it's been like that for a couple of hours now, so we are counting down to the big one. We're not far away now.
Not far away at all.
Now we are, of course, coming to you live from the Sydney Opera House, which is, of course, the Lord Mayor's party for this evening. And we're hoping that you're having a great night. We're having a great night.
It's terrific so far. I mean, the action on the harbour's been terrific as well. The 9 p.m. fireworks were amazing.
They simply were amazing, one of the best that I've seen, and it is only going to get better as the night progresses. And we had the harbour light parade, we had pylon projections as well as the bridge effect, and that certainly lit up Sydney Harbour. Just think about this, 1.5 million people packing the harbour just for tonight's fireworks.
I think 1 million of those are here right now. And if you're joining us from Keilor to Sunshine Beach, from Darwin to Adelaide, Broome to Hobart to Dubbo, at home or just out and about with the family and friends, welcome to the best seat in the house, Alicia.
It certainly is. Now this is the night to make your mark, and tonight we're of course bringing you the best view of the fireworks and the best in entertainment. We also got to catch up a little bit earlier on with performer Anthony Warlow. Take a look. Anthony Warlow, a very happy New Year to you.
And to you, Alicia.
Now you're no stranger, of course, to the Sydney Opera House. Can you choose a favourite musical, or is it like choosing a favourite child?
It is a little like choosing a favourite child, although I have a beautiful favourite child at home. Phoebe, hello, Happy New Year. But it is a little, and it's hard, although I will say this, while a lot of people imagine that Phantom of the Opera for me was the most favourite show I've been part of, while it was very important for my career, strangely enough, the most beautiful production that I was in was a musical by Lucy Simon, who has written Dr. Zhivago, called The Secret Garden, and it was really very magical. And I still, even today, think about those times of wonderful cast and beautiful melodies, and it's sort of come full circle for me.
I wanted to talk to you about Dr. Zhivago, which of course is starting here in 2011. Why did you want to get involved in that as a musical?
Well, it's a very interesting story. While I was doing The Secret Garden in Brisbane, we opened in Brisbane in 1995, Lucy Simon came to Australia to witness the production. She came after the first night to my dressing room and literally knocked on the door, said hello, and first thing she said, it wasn't, that was wonderful. She said, "You are my Yuri Zhivago. You are my Dr. Zhivago." And at that time I thought, I know what that is, but I thought, well, what's that got to do with what we're doing tonight? And she's held a torch for me to play this role for nearly 15 years, which is extraordinary. And it's about the sensibilities of a person playing these roles. She's very much into the emotion of her music, and the people who perform in her works are very connected emotionally that way. And it's taken a couple of years to organise it for Australia, but it's a premiere in Australia. It's a team which is American and Australian based, and it's the first for us because it's we're dipping into an incredible pool of talent in this country, and hopefully we'll take this overseas.
Well, like all of your work, I'm sure Australian audiences are going to be treated to it and absolutely love it. Anthony Warlow, Happy New Year, and thank you so much for your time.
So very much, and Happy New Year to you.
Good chat there, Alicia, with Anthony Warlow. Well, 2010 is coming to a close very rapidly. I'm sure you've heard plenty of opinions on the best and worst of this year, but perhaps not from this man to have the last word and to cast his very analytical eye over the year, someone we all know and we all respect.
Evening, everyone. Before 2010 comes to a close, I want to take this opportunity to reflect on the year that was. We've all got our ideas about what's good and bad and mediocre and indifferent, but you will have your ideas. This is the way I see it. Tiger Woods lost his #1 status on the golf course.
I am deeply sorry.
And at home as well. Prince William stepped up to the tee and announced his much-anticipated royal engagement. It's been a big year in entertainment. Avatar enjoyed massive ratings, so it was quite a shock when it didn't take out the Best Picture Oscar. On the red carpet, I marvelled at the fabulous frocks and at the occasional fashion faux pas. Plenty of flesh was on display in 2010. The budgie smuggler made a return. Even shoe throwing was back in fashion. Hell, that was one of the worst throwing arms I've seen in 60 years of cricket. The Australian dollar was on the rise, but so too were Australian women.
The cab 720. Oh, Tora Bright has...
There was the wonderful solo sailing effort of 16-year-old Jessica Watson.
I'm an ordinary girl who believed in her dream.
Julia Gillard also took up the helm, replacing Kevin Rudd as the nation's leader, and a woman became our first saint with the canonisation of Mary MacKillop. A great accolade, and one truly deserved. In 2010, we're either hung or drawn or red-carded. Comforted, though, by the knowledge that we could watch it all unfold in 3D. And then there was the iPad. They tell me this is a wonderful piece of technology, splendid for soaking up all those WikiLeaks. Australians went mad for a lot of things in 2010, especially the young boy with the fringe, the Beeb, Justin Bieber. Not everyone was on song in 2010.
Sorry about this. Oh my God.
Some were definitely feeling the pinch, pain and the pressure. So as we look back over the year, we remember those who came, those who left, and those who left and then came again. 2010 revealed the most memorable, miraculous and unforgettable of moments. Ones I'll cherish for some years to come. Happy New Year, everyone, and have a super 2011.
Wherever you are around Australia, welcome back to the Sydney Opera House for the New Year's Eve fireworks on 9, and they are just minutes away right now. The theme this year, Alicia, is making your mark. A lot of people are doing that tonight.
It certainly is making a mark, and the Jersey boys have certainly made their mark
They're
tonight.
terrific.
This year and also next year, they're going to continue thrilling audiences around the world. It is time now to go back to them, though. The Jersey boys with the full company.
Should be great. Here they go.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You're just too good to be true. Who loves you, pretty baby? Who's gonna help you through the night? Who loves you, pretty mama? Who's always there to make it right? Who loves you, pretty baby? Who's gonna help you through the night? Who loves you, pretty mama? Who's always there to make it right? Who loves you? Who loves you, pretty baby? Who's gonna love you, mama? Who loves you, pretty baby? When tears are in your eyes and you can't find a way, it's hard to make believe you're happy when you're ready. Baby, when you're feeling like you've never seen the morning light, come to me, baby, you'll see. Who loves you, pretty baby?
Boys are. That was the full cast from Jersey Boys, who are, of course, now playing in Sydney.
Aren't they terrific? And they have got a very big job. Stay with us right after the break. Well, it is almost that time. Have you got your classes charged? Are you ready? Are you with the people you want to celebrate? Alicia?
We've been waiting for this all night.
We have indeed. Okay.
It is time to go back to the Jersey Boys for the all-important countdown. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
is a way to say Happy New Year, Alicia.
What can you add to that? Magnificent. What a night.
Unbelievable. I hope that was as special for you at home as it was for us here. Just a spectacular show down here at the Sydney Opera House.
We've loved having your company. Michael, it's been great to be here.
Terrific, Alicia, and have a Happy New Year to you too.
I will, and you have a happy and a very safe year as well for everyone at Channel 9.
Good health and happiness for 2011. Good night.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year indeed.
To leave our footprints and perhaps